Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Motorola. Begin by opening Settings. Then click on Apps and Notifications. Following that, tap on Notifications under Screen Time and select See All from last 7 days. Now you can click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you, in my case Most Frequent. Then click on the switcher next 10 app from which you want to block them. I will go with Gmail, so now when I click, all notifications from Gmail are disabled. You can enable them by tapping on the same switcher again. You can also just click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!